Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a stationery haul for you guys. So I went to, I think I got stuff from about 4 or 5 different shops. So I'll do is I'll go from shop to shop. So I'll go by shop to shop rather than mixing everything up, because it'll just get confusing. So I'll go from the shop that I got the most from till the least. So the first shop that I went to was Wilkinson's. So my course has about 9 or 10 different modules, and for each module we need a leather arch file or leather arch file. Yeah. So I got about 9 different folders, and I got them from various places. So yeah, okay. So from Wilkinson's I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from Wilkinson's I got about 6 folders. So this is the first one. Wilkinson's did have a 3 for 2 deal, so that's why I got most of my folders from there. So this, if you buy it by yourself, was about £2.50. I think all of these folders have all these folders have an individual price of £2.50, but if you buy them all together it's 3 for 2. So this is the first folder that I got. It looks like, and from inside it's a nice purpley colour. So that was £2.50 or 3 for 2. The next folder that I got from Wilko was this colour, just plain purple. Again, 3 for 2 or £2.50. Just a plain purple folder. The third folder actually is my favourite. This is what it looks like. I really like the pattern on this. I really like how shiny it is. I just really like the pattern and the colour of this. So this was £2.50 on its own, or 3 for 2. From the inside, it's a nice pattern on the inside as well. It's like a splattered paint pattern. Okay. The next thing I got from Wilko's was again a folder. That's what it looks like. Again, they're all £2.50 or 3 for 2. I don't know if you can see that pattern on it. It's a nice like beige white colour, and the inside is a nice baby pink. The next folder that I got from there was this greyish folder. Again, £2.50 or 3 for 2, and then the same grey colour from the inside. And then the last folder that I got from Wilko is this. And the last folder that I got from Wilko's is this one. That's what it looks like. And it's got a nice like blackish brown on the inside, or a dark. And this in this lighting it's like blackish brown. I think on camera it looks more darker, like near like black. Okay. The next thing that I got from Wilko's was this small little post-it note thing. Okay, this is for £1, and these are 400 sheets, and it's 50 by 50. So it looks like it's got all the neon colours in it. And the next thing I got were these Sharpies. These are 5 in a pack, and I think these were about I think these were about £5, but I got them on a sale for about £2.50. I think so. So that's what these look like. They're all black. Okay. And then I got these Zebra rose gold pens. They do have black ink in them. That's what they look like. Oh, just need to tip off. It's a normal pen. I did record this video before and everything got deleted, so that's why all of these are out of the package. So this is the next thing that I got, which is the Zebra Smooth pens. These are medium, and I think these were about I got them for about £1.50. These are what they look like. This is what they look like. Okay, next thing I got from Wilko's, I think this is the last thing I got from Wilko's. Actually, I got one more thing, but the next thing I got from Wilko's is just a normal Tipp-Ex. This was for £1. And then I got, the last thing that I got from Wilko's was this little stationery desk organizer. This was about £5. I think from Wilko's. Okay, so you can get these from Wilko's, the Range, and I think Amazon as well, but they all have different prices, I think, and the cheapest one that I found was Wilkinson's, which was about £5. So that's what I got. All this stationery that I'm showing you, everything, all the pens, all the sticky notes, everything fits in all of this. So this fits nicely, and everything fits in this, so it's quite spacious. So the next shop that I went to was Paper Chase. From Paper Chase I got these, what are they called there? From Paper Chase I got these midliner pens. They're brush pens. That's what they look like. These were about £6. So these pens are actually dual ended. So you've got the brush pen on this side. That's what it looks like. And then you've got the fine line ultra fine tip on this side. So this will be much easier to write with, and I think these will be good for like titles or like highlighting stuff. So all of them come like this, and this was about £6. The next thing that I got from Wilko was these Uni Emote, I think, eyeliner pens. These are fine 0.4. These were about £10, and they're all like, I really like this colour. That's why I got these. That's what they look like. I really like how fine the tip of this is. So you get about 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 5 in a pack, and it's about £10. These are the pellets that you get. Yeah. So the next thing I got from Paper Chase are these index markers. These are what they look like. I think these were about £2.50. Like how many colours you get them. And then I got from Paper Chase these push pins. They're in the colour rose gold, and these were about £3. You get quite a lot in these. I don't know how many, I don't say how many you get, but that's what they look like. These were about £2.50. No, £3, sorry. And the last thing that I got from Paper Chase is this large academic diary. That's what this looks like. It's like baby blue with gold polka dots on it. That's what the inside looks like. Second, like that. So you have a monthly overview, and then it goes straight into the weekly, which I really like. I really like how big and how much space you get in this. So this was about £12, and it goes from I think it goes from June. No, it goes from July all the way till August next year, which is good because my course lasts from September all the way to August next year. So I think that was really good. This was about £12 from Paper Chase. Okay, I forgot to mention these cork boards. I got these from Wilko's, and all these 4 came in one pack, and this pack was about £5. So I think that was quite cheap, and they look quite nice as well. So yeah, that's the last thing I got from Wilko's. The next shop I'm going to talk about is the Range. From the Range I got this rubber and a sharpener, like a 2-in-1. This was, I think, about £1.50. This was actually, That's what it looks like. So you got the sharpener here, just turn it around. That. And then you've got the rubber on this side. Then you just take it out. So just do this. Oh. And then the sharpener thing comes out, you can just empty it then. And it opens like this. Okay, and then I got these pastel index markers from the range. I think these were about £1.50 as well. That's what they look like. Okay, and then I got these. They're really weird. These are like static sticky notes. They're not sticky, they're static notes to go on your so on your mirrors, on your like PC. So you get the normal colours that you get in the post-it notes. So you got the new colours, and that's what it looks like. I think these were about £2. That's what one looks like. Hold on. So you can write on both sides. You can put this. Okay, so now that we've got, because of coronavirus, well, my course at least until January is going to be all online. So I have to use my Mac. I have to use my iMac. So that's why I think these were good. So you can just like quickly jot anything down, stick it on there. So when you've got your tutorials or when you've got your teachers' lessons on there, you can just quickly ask them. You're not going to forget because you've got it right there on the screen. Okay, the next thing that I got from the range was this. This was about, I think, £1.50. I think this was quite cute. So just like quick little sticky notes, just you don't have to write anything down. Just like pick it up and just stick it somewhere. I think these are just like quick and easy. So you've got for your information, to do, ASAP and urgent, and then you've got one just like a plain one. You can write anything on there. I then got this folder from Tesco. Oh, shoot. Okay. I then got this normal small folder just so I can have the notes or the work that I'm doing for that week in this rather than those big folders. So I can just take everything out for that week and put it in this. So it's one place for the whole week for those lessons. So this is what it looks like. I think this was about £1 something from Tesco's. And I also got this refill pack from Tesco. I think this was £1.25, and in this you get 300 pages, which I think was quite cheap. The last thing that I got from Tesco's were these pens, these pastel pens. They do have black ink in them, but I like how cute these were. These were on sale for I think £1.50, but the original price was I think £3, something like that, but I got them for £1.50. The next place that I went to was Poundland, because I write a lot. Like I like to physically write and make notes like that rather than on the computer and print them off. And because like my course this year is mostly everything is handwritten, because you can take your handwritten notes into the exam. So I want to get some pens, like you know those cheap black pens you can just quickly like take notes with. So I went to Poundland and I got what are they called, the zebra smooth pens. That's what they look like, which were for £1. I think you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get about 8 in a pack. These were for £1 from Poundland. And then I got these. I think are 5 in a pack, but I can't find the other one, which is the big grip pens. These ones, I mean, that you can just do this. See that? These ones. These are for £1 as well. The black ink as well. And then I got these big grip rollers in red, black, and blue. These were all for £1. What do they look like? That's what the tip looks like. So these are just like quick and easy pens that I can just like take notes or like jot something that I remember down or I need to remember for later. Okay, then I went to, or I did shopping online from Amazon, and I got these fine liner pens, this Stabilo point pens. That's what they look like. I got this, yeah, I got these. These were about £3.75, and you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a pack. These are all the colours that you get. I got these from Amazon for £3.75. I then got these pencils, which were about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 8 in a pack, and these were about £3.25. So look like. I will leave the description. Will leave the links in the description box below. The next thing I got from Amazon were these pastel highlighters. These were about £3.75. So you get a peachy, a purple, then you get a light blue, a light green, or like minty colour, a baby pink and a yellow. These were about £3.75, which are quite cheap because I think in Dubai Smith they were like £5, £6. And then got these, which are like folder markers. So that's what they look like. So you get different colours. So you get all of these colours. Get that one. It's like these like tabs you can just stick onto your folders to use as like dividers, because for one module I've got like 20 tutorials or topics, so I couldn't find a divider which had like 20 or 21 tabs, so I just got these. I'm just gonna stick them on like that. You get like, so you get 2 of each, so I haven't opened these ones. These were about £7.99. They do seem quite expensive, but for how much you get, and if I was to buy individual dividers for my folders, because I've got like 10 folders, that would be £10. So this has been quite cheap actually. And then got this hole punch. I can't remember how much this was for though. I'll leave it in the description box below. But this is from Amazon, so it's like an individual hole punch. I then got this ruler, which was about £2.41. I think this was from the same company that these pencils were from. Okay, I then got these pastel sticky notes. These were for $4.99, and these are the colours that you get in them, and you get about 400 sheets in this. And then got another planner from Amazon. I think this was about £4, and you have, and these have like monthly overviews. That's all it is, and then you have notes at the end. But this was good for like YouTube or like other stuff I do daily, rather than my academic ones, because I like to keep my academic stuff separate in my planners, and then like everything else in the planner. I just like to do that, otherwise it gets all messy. I then got these 3 folders. So this one, this one, and this one for £10.99. This all came in a pack. And I went to Waterstones, and the last thing that I got was these Collected Ghost Stories by M.R. James. I just wanted a good book, a good horror scary book, just so I could not relax but, you know, wind down from all the uni stuff. This was about £8.99. That's what it looks like. These are all collected ghosts, they're all like individual ghost stories. So that's it guys, that's all for my uni stationery haul.